Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Vauxhall Corsa D to a mobile phone via a cable connected between auxiliary ports. You can then listen to any music stored in the phone through the car stereo, but for crying out loud, no Spice Girls. Ooh. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, the cable we need for this job looks like this at both ends. Can you see that? And it's known as an aux cable, or an audio cable, or a variation thereof. So, plug one end of your cable into the auxiliary port on your mobile phone. Now plug the other end of the cable into the auxiliary port of your Vauxhall Corsa, and that's easy enough to find. It's just down there in front of the gear stick. Specifically, it is there. Next, turn on the stereo via this large button in the centre. Like so. Now we'll give that a moment to boot up, and then when we look on the screen we can see that it's defaulted to FM, but we need to put the stereo into aux mode, and to do that we simply press the FM AM button until it says aux on the screen. Alright, so we'll do that now. Press once, press again, and there we are on the screen. It now says aux. Next, go to your mobile phone and make sure the volume is turned up, otherwise this isn't going to work. And then simply start playing whichever song you want to hear. Now, I'm not sure what songs we have in this old mobile phone. Hopefully there's something decent. So we'll try song A first by pressing play in the bottom right-hand corner. And now we simply turn up the volume on the car's stereo, and as if by magic, we can hear song A, although frankly, I'd rather not hear song A. It sounds quite torturous, so we'll try song B instead and hope that's a little more to our taste. Fingers crossed. Nope, that's even worse. Oh dear. And that's how to play songs in your mobile phone through the stereo of a Vauxhall Corsa using an aux cable. Anyway, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Now, where can I buy some decent music?